Unleash your cognitive advantage with Polarity.io. Imagine having the power to instantly uncover critical information at your fingertips. With Polarity's Focus Mode, you can search and take action from any application. Here, I kick off an NMAP scan from Excel to get the current status of this host. Once the results are in, I pass them to an AI model for a second opinion and recommendations. I can even interact with the model to provide more context. And in turn, the recommendations are updated. Now, with the AI suggestions and your expert knowledge, you can be thorough and take fast action. Unleash your cognitive advantage today and experience the power of Polarity.io. Try our free community edition and see how it can transform your workflow. Polarity.io, empowering you to have the advantage everywhere work is done.